Hey, what's up with the YouTube? Real quick unboxing video of the AUTOTECH engineering company high output alternator. I already got it unboxed. Try to make this video short and sweet as usual. Came with an AUTOTECH engineer sticker. Box pretty good. Wasn't bubble wrap. They say we got the gold series. This right here is a 310 going on a Dodge Magnum. It was the biggest one that they had for that vehicle. Came with a harness. I'm probably gonna have to call them to see what's up with it. When I broke it down and told her what I needed, I gotta say that customer service is on point with AUTOTECH. Really a reason why I chose them also. But shout out to the customer service over there. But I broke it down to her what I needed. So this alternator right here supposedly have a built-in external regulator. I may be wrong saying that, but it's supposed to charge at anywhere from 14.8 to 15.2. They did tell me that I would have to install the harness, and the harness would have my battery light on. I'm not tripping off that, especially if it do what it's supposed to do. So as of right now, I'm currently running a stock alternator, charging at 14.4. Once the music play, drops down to like, I've noticed it get down to 11. So should have this installed no later than Wednesday. Like I said, I'm trying to make that Wake the Dead show. So very pleased with the procedure of ordering this AUTOTECH. Very pleased. Took about, it didn't take a week, to be honest with you. It shipped from California and I stay in Mississippi. I ordered it on a Monday and shit, I had it that Thursday. So very pleased with it. They sent me a keychain. This alternator do what it do. I will be putting this up on my key. So, like I said, trying to make the video short and sweet, quick unboxing video of the AUTOTECH. Give you guys a full update on the Dodge Magnum build. As you can see, we do got the box in, do got the crescendo audio in, the power is 10K in, so give you guys an update later.